Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to change mouse pointer in your Windows 10 operating system. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now you can see I have default mouse pointer over here. Now to change mouse pointer, first of all go to Start and go to Settings over here. If you can't find, you can just search and get to these settings. You can see I am here in my settings. Now over here you can find these devices. Click on this and over here you will find this interface. Now go to mouse. On the right you can see here is additional mouse options. Click on this. Now you will find this interface. Go to pointers and over here on this normal select. Click on this browse. And over here you can find multiple options to choose with. Now I'll go with something like cross. Okay, I'll go with this cross. Now open and apply and now OK. And you can see I have successfully changed this mouse cursor. So in this simple way we can change mouse cursor in Windows 10. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.